In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Bluetooth connected bird sound coming from laptop. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then check on the sound output and make sure your Bluetooth device is selected as a default audio output. If that does not work, right click on the speakers icon in the bottom right and select sound settings. Now head over to the section Bluetooth and devices. Click on the option devices. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option more devices and printer settings. Find your Bluetooth device in the list, double-click on it, and then click on Services tab. Here uncheck for the option Hands-Free Telephony, then click Apply and OK. Check if this resolves the issue. Next solution is search for Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section, find your Bluetooth adapter, right-click on it, and select Uninstall Device to remove the driver. Once that's done, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. If your adapter does not reappear, you may need to restart your PC. Once you have restarted, reconnect your Bluetooth device to your Bluetooth settings and see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.